Just Google or Facebook or YouTube the Port Angeles-Sequim Washington Car Wash Man, Motor Home Wash Man. Finishing up this truck, we did full detail on it. Let me turn off this vacuum cleaner for a second. Just finishing up shampooing the inside of it. Big truck. These take about 8 hours to do. I didn't take before pictures of this, but it was interesting. But anyway, it was shampooing the carpets. Now I did shampoo the seats. There were stains in the seats. We did those. I got all of those out. Going to do the windows next after I finish the front here. As you can see, I haven't done. I've started shampooing that, but I'm getting ready to finish it. But the rest of the carpet is turned out like that. And the seats, nice and clean. A little wet. Dashboard. Door, nice and shiny. Protected, cleaned. Cleaned door jambs, cleaned. It's got a great wax job on it. Look at that. Got to get black done once a year. Look at that shine. Look at that. Looks like I'm looking at the tire. Oh, looks like it's a little blurry. Oh, hi, Deb. I'm just taking some pictures. Let's see. So look at that. You can take a look. I'm almost done. I gotta wash the windows inside and out, and I gotta finish up here, and I gotta treat your floor mats.
Well, it's a new car.
Oh, good. I'm glad to hear that. It was a lot of fun to do. Yeah, it was a mess. But that's all right. You didn't have anyone to do it, so now you do.
Yeah.
You just call me every 6 months, and we'll take care of it. You don't have to get it waxed.
I'm gonna get a new one. You can come and do it, the new one.
Yeah, get me to do it every 6 months, and wipe this off right here. And just you don't have to get it waxed every 6 months. You just get me to come out and do the mini detail package without the wax, and that'll keep your car new inside, and you won't have to worry about it. Yeah, we can see another satisfied customer. You guys have a great day.